Google Ads Keywords: How to Find the Best Ones for Your Business. Welcome to our guide on discovering the most effective Google Ads keywords for growing your business. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, understanding keyword selection is crucial. First, think like your customers. What words or phrases would they type into Google to find your product? These initial ideas form the foundation of your keyword list. Next, use Google's Keyword Planner. This free tool provides insights into search volume, competition, and suggested bid estimates for potential keywords. You'll discover high-volume and relevant keywords that can drive traffic to your business. Check out your competitors' strategies. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs let you see the keywords they're targeting. By analyzing this data, you might uncover new opportunities for your own campaigns. Consider long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that might have lower search volumes, but often lead to higher conversion rates due to their specificity. Examples could be eco-friendly dog toys for small breeds instead of just dog toys. Regularly review and refine your keyword list. As trends evolve and your business grows, your keywords should adapt to reflect new offerings and changes in customer behavior. Using negative keywords is also an important tactic. They help you filter out irrelevant traffic, ensuring your ads are shown to the right audience. This boosts the efficiency of your ad spend and improves your return on investment. Finally, measurement and experimentation are key. Continuously test different keywords to see which perform best and adjust your bids and strategies accordingly. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your digital marketing efforts.